to an apocalyptic scene. When we arrived, it was fairly chaotic. There were approximately 800 patients in critical condition, and there were 8 of us. There was one operating room going and a few other doctors, and I can only imagine what they've seen over the past couple days. It was a battlefield for the first 3 days.
I was speechless at first. I saw a lot of things that I don't think I could even talk about, but it was very hard. A lot of people in a lot of pain, children with a lot of pain, not having parents, a lot of wounded, just a lot of wounded people with a lot of crush injuries.
People were coming from all over the world. I mean, really coming to help. But the first 2 or 3 days, there was really limited resources, and pretty much the equipment and supplies for what we brought with us from Stanford.
The people of Haiti are unbelievable. The patients we cared for had undergone the worst catastrophe imaginable, and they let us take care of them in situations where we didn't have pain medication sometimes, or anything to really ease their suffering while we were helping them, and they, every single one that was capable of expressing thank you said thank you.
It was wonderful. It was wonderful. They appreciated it. They needed it. They loved our help, and they are such tough people.
Those doctors and nurses are tough people too. I understand that one of the doctors had to give himself an IV. The heat was so great they lost so much moisture. Another doctor said that he was hardly going to the bathroom because he had no water to go with, and he said he was living on power bars. So it was a very tough couple of weeks for those folks in Haiti. Now about that question of military flights being canceled, all the doctors were fairly diplomatic about that. They said, of course, they always want people evacuated to hospitals whenever they can be evacuated, but they said they're trying to set up Haiti so they don't have to take them out of the country. And of course, there was the hospital ship, the Navy hospital ship, and the French hospital ship as well. So they said they